Hello friends, today I'm here to share some insights with you specifically for the option buyers and sellers. Okay, now this particular video highlights that how magic can come in handy for you to identify or pinpoint the 50% range levels which are termed to be the right point to hedge. Okay, now how do we find that? Is something which magic does beautifully. All right, so you can upload your favorite list from here. You can just upload it, you can prepare it in a notepad. There is a format available, you can do it, or else you can even go and select it. So whether it's equity, futures, commodity, index, whatever you want. Okay, so since it is selected, I will move on to my hedge point strategy. Okay, I have clicked on the show levels. Okay, now let me just show you. Now what it does is, if you look at, it shows me 3 grids. Okay, now this is a premium version. This is not a part of the basic version of Magic. Magic has 2 versions, okay, with different pricing. Now do you see it? It says near bottom. Okay, so we usually get the status here, whether it's near bottom, whether it's near top, okay, or the third grid that you see is a range. Okay, now what is it telling? Now when I click this, it shows 25%, 50%, 75%. Alright, so today to hedge, what I am focusing upon is only the 50% of the range. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I will be just picking up the hourly chart, for example. Now it says Ajanta Pharma as 1471 and 1441. So let's go and click this. Okay, now why do I say that you are supposed to pick up the 50% range? Because this is wherein we look for hedging opportunity. Alright, so just to explain it on a very simple note, on a very light note, of course, like this is also forming a beautiful support here. Okay, so looking at it, you can definitely hedge your positions. Now those core strategies are definitely covered in our technical analysis training program, wherein you understand the basic functionality or the working of the magic box strategy. Alright, but this particular video is targeted towards the new users and to the existing users, that how they can capitalize on the magic for the hedging opportunity. Alright, now if I look at the barter chart, it says 1325 and 1305, so it's a 20-point range. Wow. Now this is wherein, when it falls into the 50% range, then it's a good hedge point. So either way around, you can play by the support and look for the CE buying, or on the breach of the support you can look for the PE buying. That entirely depends upon you. But when we talk about, usually whenever we are reading an OI data, okay, you have to make your pairing, right? But at what point? What is most important is at what point. If I'm trading by the harmonics, do you think hedging is the right thing to do? I don't think so. So which strategy? If I'm trading, let's say, by the trend line support, by the flag and pull, do you think that's the right place to hedge? No, right? So with magic, what you get to know is easily the right point to hedge a stock. Alright, so that's your safest bet, because that is a midway range, alright, which supports the hedging in its perfect manner. The only system available for the Indian markets to scan these opportunities is magic. Alright, so magic is a pretty advanced AI capable system that would help you find a beautiful hedging opportunities. If you can notice here, now this is something amazing. Alright, so existing magic users, that's the way you can start looking and finding opportunities. From tomorrow onwards, we will be keep coming with the smaller strategic update, okay, to help you capitalize better with your screening systems. Okay, now magic is something which has opportunities like harmonics. Okay, now this is the target done. Now it is that beautiful. If I just click it, I can see it which stocks are sitting in the reversal zone. Alright, just with the click of a button. Alright, so that is the beauty when you are working with the finest AI screening systems. Alright, now if I have to, let's say I'll go to the candle patterns. If I have to just explore which candles are made, okay, for example for tomorrow, so I'll just go and select the tomorrow's date. Now do you see it? The granules has a shooting star, HDFC Bank. Guys, less than 3 seconds I'm done with the levels. Okay, less than 3 seconds. That's what the magic challenge is. Alright, you just go and click it and the level would be there right in front of you in less than 3 seconds. Alright, so AI drawn chart, no questions of repainting. Magic is the most advanced screening system available as of today. We have been into the market almost 1 year plus now, okay, and Magic has been doing really well. So multiple strategies. If you trade by flag and pole, not just that, right now I'm just showing you a sample of 1 day, but whether it's a flag and pole or candlesticks, you can scan them in multiple time frames. Okay, do you see it? So it is that simple. The speed is nowhere compromised because Magic is a very highly optimized performing system. It's a custom built system. All right, so when we look at the support and resistance, let's say for Axis Bank, do you see it, how beautifully we have pulled up the trend line? So everywhere, every strategy works within less than 3 seconds and we have the chart. Come on guys, after a tiring day, would you still be hunting down the stocks, scrolling the charts, scrolling the scripts? Do you really need to do it? I don't think so. The job is pretty simplified. Now previously, if you're just sitting to find one level, okay, you may spend up at least an hour or 2 hours, just finding up the levels. Now with Magic, that's simple and easy. So whatever your strategy is, whatever way you want to work with, Magic is going to support you, as Magic maintains its position of being the fastest screening system ever designed. I hope you guys like the video, and to the hedging lovers, try this what we just highlighted today. Thank you guys.